welcome to Run Deals. Me and Zoe here, and we're going to be reviewing this puzzle that I got for her. It's a treats puzzle. It's really cool. It's a slider champ, it's called. It's Box of Good Idea, Bark Whiz, and it's a great puzzle for you to play with your dog. The puzzle game is designed to test your dog's IQ, sense of smell, and general cognitive abilities by dispensing both treats and tricks, and it will teach your dog to improve their skills of deduction. While this training can also be highly beneficial when it comes to treating problematic behavioral tendencies, using this doggy puzzle is also a fun way to practice some slow feeding with your puppy, and dogs are smarter than you think. So this is really cool that you can play with them. Never let them play alone, obviously, because they can chew and get pieces in. But it's cute. Like, she's already smelling the treats. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to do it, right? So they can, you can slide it for them, and that way they can see a treat. Or you can like try to teach them to move it with their, with their nose, to get their own treat. And then at the end, like these, you have to lift up for them to get it, and this one too, you have to slide for them to get it. As you can see, she's going crazy already. So it's pretty cool. These like slide up and down and side to side, so that way, and then you can put any type of food in there or treats. But it's pretty cool. Your dog will enjoy doing this with you, which I'll show you in a minute how we're gonna play. But overall, it's a great toy for you to interact with your dog, and I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoy. Bye!